You are below 1,000 followers but you want to go live on TikTok, this video is yours. You can take a look. My followers are around 900. I haven't made 1,000, but I can go live with this very account as I'm going to show you. You can take a look. It's not edit, those are the followers I have, and I started going live on TikTok with just 100 followers. So if you have 100 followers and above, I'm going to show you what you should start doing so that you can also go live with your TikTok account. So first, you can take a look right here. If I go where I post my videos from, you can see live right here, and once I press there, you can see that I can go live on TikTok, but I haven't made 1,000 followers on TikTok, and I started going live when I had just 100 followers. So you can do that also. Go right to your TikTok profile and press right here on the menu button. After pressing there, press on settings and privacy. After pressing on settings and privacy, scroll right to the bottom and then press on help center right here. Then press on start a chat with us right here. Now you can see a space where you can type a message right here. Go ahead and type a message to the TikTok support team. Type in hello TikTok team, I would like to go live but my account doesn't. Please help and add live feature on my account, and then send. Now this is the response. You can see they are telling me that already I have access to go live on TikTok. To start your live, simply open your app and look for the button to go live. You can take a look right here. There is a button to go live. If they bring you this button, make sure that you press the button right away from the support team, from the support chat. Don't go back to start the process again. You just press on go live now. And then go ahead and press on live. And right here you can see that I can go live on TikTok. You can also do the same. Go ahead and talk to the support team. You will be able to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. Like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new.